Welcome back. Now we are going to the 10th numerical of the first exercise in some of the applications of trigonometry. Question is, two poles of equal heights are standing opposite each other on either side of the road, which is 80-meter wide. From a point between them on the road, the angles of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degrees and 30 degrees respectively. Find the height of the poles and the distance of the point from the poles. So we have two poles of equal height. These are my two poles. Same height. We'll call that height as h. Distance between them is given. It is 80 meters is the distance between them. Then they are telling us from one point, the angle formed is 60 degrees from the top of one pole. And from the other pole, it is 30 degrees. So if this initial distance from the first pole is x, what is the distance from the second pole? Second pole distance will be 80 minus x, correct? It will be 80 minus x. So what happens from 80, if you take out x, what is left out? 80 minus x. So these are my two triangles. I will use these two triangles individually and I will try to simplify. So I will take the first triangle. First triangle, pole is there, angle is 60 degrees. This is h, this is 60 degrees, this distance is x. Again, opposite and base. Which trigonometric ratio? Tan theta. Tan theta is opposite by base. Now 60 degrees. So tan 60 degrees is equal to h by x. Tan 60 is root 3. Tan 60 degrees root 3. So root 3 is equal to h by x. Cross multiply, I got h. H is root 3x. This is the height of the poles. H is root 3x. Now I will use this in the next case. So in the next case, my pole is like this. Angle is 30 degrees. 30 degrees is the angle. Height is h. Distance is 80 minus x. This is the distance. 80 minus x. So I will use that now. Again, tan 30 degrees is equal to h by 80 minus x. Now tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 is equal to h. What is h? We already got h. Root 3x divided by 80 minus x. Cross multiply. If you cross multiply, you will get 80 minus x is equal to root 3 into root 3, 3x. Or 80 is equal to 4x, correct? Bring x on the other side. 80 is equal to 4x. Or 80 by 4 is x. 4 ones are 4, 20s are. X is equal to 20 meters. So distance from one pole is 20 meters. What is the distance from the other pole? Distance from the other pole is 80 minus x. So 80 minus x is 80 minus 20, which is 60 meters. Distance from the other pole is 60 meters. What is the height? H is root 3x. So h will be 20 root 3. This is the height. Therefore, I can write height of pole. Height of pole is equal to 20 root 3 meters. Then distance from first pole. What is the distance from first pole? 20 meters. Then distance from second pole. What is the distance from second pole? 60 meters. 80 minus 20, 60 meters. So very simple. First you draw the diagram. First distance is x. The other distance is 80 minus x. If that is not clear, I will draw it again. 80 minus x. This is the second distance. So use the first diagram. Height of the pole is h, distance is x, angle is 60 degrees, opposite and base is tan. Tan 60 is h by x, tan 60 is root 3, so h is root 3x. We got this. Put it in the second diagram. H is the height of the pole, distance is now 80 minus x and angle is 30 degrees. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3, And most important, h is root 3x. We substituted for h. So root 3 into root 3 will become 3x. 80 minus x, bring x on the other side. 80 is equal to 4x. 80 by 4, x is 20 meters. Distance from the first pole is 20 meters. Then what is the distance from the other pole? 80 minus 20, it is 60 meters. And what is the height of the pole? Root 3x. So 20 into root 3. So height of pole is 20 root 3. Distance from first pole is 20 meters. And distance from the second pole is 60 meters.